Hello students, a warm welcome to maths lecture. So in the previous lecture we have started the revision lecture of lesson number 10, measuring time. So today is the second part of lesson number 10 revision lecture. Okay, today we are going to just practice, we are going to just revise the addition and subtraction sums. Okay, so let's see. First let's see addition sums. 3 hours 40 minutes plus 2 hours 55 minutes. Okay, so first, the very first thing, we have to make the two columns, that is hours column, minutes column. Okay, now we have to write the numbers, that is hours under hours and minutes under minutes column. Now 3 hours 40 minutes plus 2 hours 55 minutes. So here first hours is the bigger unit and minutes is the smaller unit. So first we have to add the smaller unit. Okay. So 40 plus 55 is 95. Okay, 40 plus 55 minutes means 95 minutes. Now 95 minutes means 60 minutes plus 35 minutes. Yes or no? 60 plus 35. You know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay? 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 95 minutes means 1 hour 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That is why I have taken here 1 hour and 35 minutes. Okay. So first write 35 minutes under minutes column and you have to take this 1 hour here. So 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So your answer is 6 hours 35 minutes. Okay. Next, 7 hours 70 minutes plus 2 hours 30 minutes. Seven hours 70 minutes plus 2 hours 30 minutes. Now 70 plus 30, 100 minutes. Therefore 100 minutes is equal to 60 minutes plus 40 minutes. Okay, and you know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 100 minutes means 1 hour and 40 minutes. You will write this 40 here. You have to take this 1 over here. 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 hours, 40 minutes. Okay. Next. 15 hours, 45 minutes plus 20 hours, 15 minutes. 15 hours 45 minutes plus 20 hours 15 minutes. Now 45 minutes plus 15 minutes, 60 minutes, and 60 minutes means 1 hour. So you will write 00 over here. You have to take hour under hour column. Okay, 1 plus 6. Okay, 1 plus 5, 6, 3. So 36 hours is the answer. Okay. Got it? Now the last one. 9 hours 10 minutes plus 3 hours 20 minutes. Nine hours 10 minutes plus 3 hours 20 minutes. Now 10 plus 20, 30 minutes. Okay. 30 minutes are less than 60. So you can write it as it is. Okay. 10 plus 20, 30 minutes. 9 plus 3, 12. So 12 hours, 30 minutes is the answer. Got it? Now let's move to subtraction sums. Okay. First is 4 hours 20 minutes minus 1 hour 30 minutes. So, hours, minutes. Four hours 20 minutes minus 1 hour 30 minutes. Now, we have to first subtract minutes. Now here see 20 minus 30. 20 is the smaller number, 30 is the bigger number. So we cannot subtract 30 minutes from 20 minutes. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to take 1 hour from hours column and we have to convert it into minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 plus you have to add this 20 minutes. 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. 80 minutes. Now you have to subtract this 30 from 80. So 80 minus 30, 50 minutes. And we have to minus that 1 hour which we have taken from here to here. So 4 minus, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So your answer is 2 hours, 50 minutes. Next one. 5 hours, 10 minutes minus 2 hours, 40 minutes. Okay. Five hours, 10 minutes minus 2 hours, 40 minutes. Now, we cannot deduct 40 from 10. So, we have to take 1 hour from here and we have to convert it into minutes. So, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 minus 40, 30 minutes. You have to deduct that 1. So, 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 hours, 30 minutes. Okay. Next. 17 hours, 30 minutes minus 5 hours, 25 minutes. Now, 30 minus 25, 5 minutes. Now here see, 30 is greater than 25. So no need to take 1 hour from this side. Okay. You can subtract 25 from 30. 30 minus 25, 5. Okay. 17 minus 7 minus 5, 2. 12. So your answer is 12 hours and 5 minutes. Okay. Now the last one. 2 hours, 15 minutes minus 50 minutes. Hours, minutes. Now here they have not given you hours. So 2 hours, 15 minutes minus 50 minutes. So you will write 50 under minutes column. That's it. Okay. Now here we have to take 1 hour from hours column and you have to convert it into minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 plus 15 minutes. 75. So 75 minus 50, 25. Okay. 25 minutes. And you will write this. Sorry. So you have to convert this. We have taken 1 hour from this side. So we have to deduct it. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 hour, 25 minutes is the answer. Okay. So in this way you have to do addition and subtraction of the time. Okay. So I hope you might have understood. So we have completed addition and subtraction. Okay, the basic sums of addition and subtraction. In the next lecture, we will continue with the revision of word problem sums based on this time. Okay, so we'll meet in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.